Mathematics in the Modern World vlog.
We are going to discuss about patterns in nature.
And to enumerate the different types of patterns.
So, without further ado,
Let's go! Hello learners! Come with us and let's explore the patterns found in nature.
Patterns in nature are visible regular forms found in the natural world. The patterns can sometimes be modeled mathematically, and they include symmetries, trees, spirals, meanders, waves, foams, tessellations, cracks, and stripes. So now, let me introduce to you the types of patterns. The first one is symmetry. Symmetry is pervasive in living things. Animals mainly have bilateral or mirror symmetry, as do the leaves of plants and some flowers such as orchids. There are actually 5 kinds of symmetries, and these are mirror symmetry, threefold symmetry, fivefold symmetry, sixfold symmetry, and the last one is the rotational symmetry. Fractals. Fractals are infinitely self-similar, iterated mathematical constructs having fractal dimension. Spirals. Spirals are common in plants and in some animals. The chaos, flaw, and meanders. In mathematics, a dynamical system is chaotic if it is highly sensitive to initial conditions. Waves and dunes. Waves are disturbances that carry energy as they move. Mechanical waves propagate through a medium, air or water, making it oscillate as they pass by. Tessellations. Tessellations are patterns formed by repeating tiles all over a flat surface. There are 17 wallpaper groups of tilings. While common in art and design, exactly repeating tilings are less easy to find in living things. Cracks. Cracks are linear openings that form in materials to relieve stress. When an elastic material stretches or shrinks uniformly, it eventually reaches its breaking strength and then fails suddenly in all directions. Now let's have the spots and stripes. These patterns have an evolutionary explanation. They have functions which increase the chances that the offspring of the patterned animal will survive to reproduce.
Hope you enjoyed! Thank you for watching! Bye!
Omido for the beat.
What's up guys? And we are the Group 3!
this video we are going to discuss about patterns in nature.
Pattern.
So, without further ado,
For today's video, we're gonna show you some examples of patterns in nature.
So let's go in 3, 2, 1.